Hi, my name's Sarah Griffin and I'm Managing Director and Producer at Flyte Creative Media. We're based on the South Coast in the UK and we operate globally. My role within the business is managing the business as a whole and then also working individually on separate projects. So for me, it's really important to have a broad overview of how the business is operating and also to be able to get really granular with the detail of the projects that we're working on. Before using ActiveCollab, we had lots and lots of kind of information spread across lots and lots of different areas. So various different spreadsheets, Word documents, we were making notes and emailing one another. So there were quite a lot of email trains that were quite long. For me, running a business takes up a lot of my time, but using ActiveCollab has made it so much easier for me to streamline my time and to be able to just click and look in one place and just see everything in one place. So it's really great to have an interface where I can view all the different projects, I can view the business development, I can look at all the different tasks that have been allocated to all of our team, and we can just have a nice overview of what's going on. Another great thing about ActiveCollab is that I know that every single team member is going to receive an email in the morning that has a to-do list that is specific to them. So they know exactly what their tasks are for the day, what needs to be accomplished, and also what needs to be accomplished going forward in the sort of coming weeks and months. So it's just really handy for that sort of instant communication, saves me the job of delegating the tasks and asking people to do things via email. I just know it's going to automatically happen and it just saves me so much time. A big part of my role working as a producer for our clients and also as a business owner is managing budgets. So it's really useful for me to be able to track the time that's being put into projects, and also it just means our clients know what's going on. The best thing about using ActiveCollab for our business is the fact that you just have a really awesome overview of the business as a whole. All the projects, all the upcoming projects, it's all there in one place for everybody to be able to see, and crucially, it's personalized. So each individual within the business knows exactly what is going on for them and what is most relevant for them as well.